Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. The refrigerator door gasket is providing the airtight seal, preventing the warm air from getting inside the compartment. This door gasket is located on the right side French door. It has a special mechanism that keeps the door closed tight. A bad gasket could cause a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, longer running compressor time, and the door to not close properly. If you're experiencing any of those problems, check the gasket and replace it if needed. To get it apart, we need to open the right side door. Before putting all these efforts to remove the old gasket, I would suggest you that place a new gasket that you got on and see if it fits, if it's the same size. Now we can see that it's the same. We can proceed with removal. So I'm going to start with removing this side. I'm using a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to peel this as far as you can, and then I'm going to stick that screwdriver into this opening and pry the old gasket off. So we can continue pulling it out on the top and the bottom. And then we're going to stop. So now we need to remove these brackets. I will use a flat blade screwdriver and we're going to place it in the seam here and pry it off. Then one more place. And now we can continue without the flat blade screwdriver again. Just pull it off. See if that has a number of clips. And now we can remove the gasket. Next, we need to pop out this retainer clip on the top, and there's an identical one at the bottom. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to slightly put it into that slot and pry it out. And we'll go down at the bottom of this gasket. Alright, so I'm going to peel off the gasket. Then I'm going to insert the screwdriver into the slot and pry out the retainer. And now we can remove the old gasket. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to start with placing the gasket on the door. And then we're going to start installing this side. So this edge goes inside the door. So press it in. So I'm going to push it in until it will lock in. Like that. Then we're going to go down to the bottom clip. Turn the bottom clip in. Make sure that the edge is under the door. And then we're going to push this into lock. All right. Now we can proceed with installation the gasket into the groove. Simply press it in. You will feel when it goes in. I mean this edge goes into the groove. And then the bottom. So to put in that bracket, we need to clip on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips into these openings in the door. Place it on. Move it to the top. And then push it in. Push it hard so it should lock. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.